That's cool.
All right. There's no smoky. It'll start. You know, so it even takes a while for the first one because the glycerin is a long. Right. Okay. Well, that's a good sign. Okay, you probably don't want to be where the smoke is.
Oh yeah.
Is it bad smoke?
It's not.
No,
pleasant.
it's smoke.
Well, I smelled it before. So.
Why is it always?
Oh my god!
Awesome.
Wait, the camera shut off because of something. It's not over.
Okay, that is white hot molten iron.
We're taking an exam right now, so
Oh.
please keep the shrieking down.
You made iron.
Okay, so this is white hot iron. Did you see how white hot it was? Right.
My camera shut off.
So now, what color is it now? Do you like that?
I loved it. I saw the video of the one of the other class.
No, but it's much better.
Oh, this is much more impressive.
I mean, yeah.
Cool.